Copy on 40 Alpha, sir.
Copy on 40 Alpha, you're going to be following that whale outbound. Report him in sight, follow him out, and report the bay.
40 Alpha, copy.
Flight 2090, November Echo on tag to Echo, hold short of Sierra.
November Echo, short of runway 1 right at Sierra, Frontier 2090.
You Frontier Flight 772, hold short runway 26 right at Alpha 6, contact ground 121.1 for further.
Report 26 right at Alpha 6, contact ground Frontier 772.
Somebody else trying to call a tower that's stepping in there, who's calling?
Short of taxiway Sierra, Frontier 2090.
Here, 429 traffic company ahead, they're eastbound, wind 0706, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1 right, clear for takeoff, right, 420.
1687, Las Vegas, runway 1 right, line up alert, report company head in sight. 1789, contact departure.
Four radar contact, turning south at the garage, 2,800 climate, continue east at the bay. No response from Whale 4, how do you copy?
Whale 4, Bay 3000.
4, thanks. Radar contact, continue the VFR climb, eastbound, Boeing 737, short final, 1 left.
Traffic attack, clear eastbound climb in Whale 4.
Is on final, runway 26 left. American 1599, Las Vegas Tower, number 2, wind 0806, runway 26 left, go to land.
Land number 2, 26 left, American 1599.
1859, as you exit at Alpha 7, hold short, runway 26 right, contact ground 121.1 for further.
Alpha 7, hold short 26 right, over the ground, Rouge 1859.
He was Pappy on 40 Alpha calling tower.
No, sir, I just departed, and I'm still climbing to the bay.
Okay, roger that, thank you, ma'am.
Las Vegas Metro 5, can I get
Metro 5, due west is approved and then go about a mile west of that center line.
Metro 5?
Right.
Hold short 1 right, southwest 1550.
Here, 429, contact departure.
Departure experience 429.
I'm 40 Alpha, thanks for the patience there. Your radar contact south of the garage, 2,900 climate, continue climb east at the bay.
40 Alpha, thanks, sir, climbing east.
Sure. Go to ground, point 9er.
Tropicana with Hotel 203.
Ground 56 Alpha, Las Vegas Tower, proceed as requested, report the bay.
As requested, report the bay. I'm actually going to stand by for a second. Somebody just pulled out onto the hotel.
Okay, roger that. Let me know when you're airborne. Poppy on 56 Alpha.
Wilco 56 Alpha.
Runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff. 27 November Yankee, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 left at Bravo, line up away. There's traffic departing the parallel southwest full length, report in sight. November Bravo, November Yankee, 1 left at Bravo, line up away, report departing southwest off the parallel in sight. Yeah. 1687, contact departure 1259er. Right, 107, runway 1 right at Bravo, line up away. 1554, cross runway 1 right, ground point 1.
Cross 1 right, ground southwest 1554. Have a great day.
Flight 2090 at Sierra, cross runway 1 right, ground point 1.
Right at Sierra, cross runway 1 right, then ground Frontier 2090.
Okay, on 56 Alpha, thanks. Report the bay.
56 Alpha.
On 56 Alpha, you were you're the last one, is that correct?
One more from 203.
Okay, thank you.
Stream 0 November Yankee, maintain visual separation southwest but also westbound, wind 0306, runway 1 left of Bravo, clear for takeoff. Flight 107, traffic off your left, there's a Gulfstream 4 departing the parallel, report in sight.
Be on lifting for the trop there, you should pick them up here shortly.
At 315, continue straight ahead, cross runway 1 left at Whiskey.
Left way, he's inside American 1565.
2515, traffic's in position, wind 0107, runway 1 left, cleared to land. The 3 traffic part in the parallel United eastbound, RNAV to Bessie, wind 3608, runway 1 left at Bravo, clear for takeoff. Southwest 2625, contact departure.
Departure Southwest 2625.
Charlie, Charlie. You guys, and best as you can, present speed, best as you can there to about 3 DME. Just keep the speed up for me to about 3 DME.
We'll keep the speed up, Charlie, Charlie.
You guys.
Hi, bad, and the airplane's inside 1565. Flight 2170, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up wait, report American, ahead in sight.
Line up and wait inside 1 right. Let's your flight 2170.
At 1652, contact departure.